once again most welcome to again my YouTube channel. So last night I making video, so many of my friends asking me, please you will making videos on English language. So I will be completely telling you about this game, how to be completed to be this depth. So just I request to you, be carefully completely watching my video. Some people can't watching completely video, so then he disappointed. No, he like be some of little strong comments on my video section. So I tell you, my dear friends, please be carefully completely watching video, and I will be tell you main points how to be completed to be this game, this depths. So be carefully completely watching this video, and please support me, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's start this video. So guys, you will be know like be new year coming here, and like be uh, every game update and update, no update, no, so no problem, but I update this game and I will come and I will teach you how to be completed to be this game depth. So please be carefully completely watching this video, I already again telling to you. So let's start this video. So guys, I'm be update now and I will be coming, and please be carefully completely watching this video, and I will be skipping little now because and completely watching now. So dear my friends, I will be starting this game and I tell you completely watching my video, and don't skip now because I tell you everything to be completely, I tell you what I will do and you will be do what. Okay, so everything so much easily, only yeah, like be, oh my shit, you checking no like be जो कमरे च कोई आंदा ना तो मैनू इन्ना को ਉਹਨੂੰ ਉੱਤੇ ਵੱਟ ਚੜਦਾ, ਮੇਰਾ ਦਿਲ ਕਰਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਪਿਸਤੌਲ ਉੱਤੇ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੂੰ ਹੁਣ. So guys, when you will be starting this game and I will give you 3 tricks, okay, and you will be don't miss these 3 tricks, okay. Everything so much easily no, only I tell you be carefully complete no on, like be also my mobile so much hanging no, little problem. So but I will be try to be explain you how to what you will do to be easily no, okay. Bane da chapka ka nahi. So when you my dear friend, 3 points just I tell you, like be one of you will be do like be you checking no more trash. You will buy first of all more trash by now because you checking no, I many coins are no, why how do I earn coin, because I will be purchasing more trash. If you like be more trash purchasing no, so this big benefit like be you will be easily completed to be like be this game. Because why? Because when you will be like be more trash purchasing now, and you will be earn, and please x3 x4 x5, and please I request you x5 x4 option don't skip. You will be clicking on this ads x4 x5 x3 x2, because this mean like you will be like be 2 times 3 4 5, like be if you maybe I like be 2 3 like be 1000 green, if I will be clicking on the x5, so I will be earn coin like be 5000. So everything so much easily no, because this is the main point, you will be skipping don't add x4 x3 x2. This is the big benefit, because if you watching this video only 30 seconds, so you will be earn double, like we earn you will be easily coin no. So and because this is the big benefit more trash, because I when I'm starting this game, so I'm be not to be first to be completed to be that. First of all I will be purchasing more trash and offline earning, and I tell you how to offline earning you will be purchasing, because everything so easily no. Because why? Because offline much big benefit like be, if you not to be playing this game and you will be purchasing 180 minutes, and you will be only completed to be this complete this game, you will be checking no. So, like I will be clicking on x 74 76 78. So this is the big benefit for you, because when people can't understand how to be completed with this depth, but I tell you, you will be first of all like be purchasing more trash, and then you will be 180 minutes offline minutes you will be purchasing. This is the big tricks. Okay, so this like be 50 more trash and 180 like be offline minutes you will be purchasing, then you will be easily completed to be this depths. So just I tell you, I request you be always be supporting me, and I hope you will be understand. No, please request to you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thank you for you watching my video.